Crispix here with Amelia.
Oh, dirty girl. Promise of lifestyle.
You need to turn this into a drag roll.
I'm so scared.
Pump it up.
Well, hello, girl. Good morning to you and good morning to you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Thanks for tuning in on another episode. We are prepping Mimi for her drag race that is coming up next week, actually. So we still got to figure out what we're doing with the transmission. We have a couple things lined up. Hopefully I will have an answer today, but today we're going to do front brakes on this old girl just to make sure I'm safe should anything happen. Good morning.
Morning.
Fourth cup of coffee?
Something like that.
We were here late last night swapping the ring and pinion on Mimi, welding the diff, and getting some new wheels and tires ready for her.
Center to go straight again.
As you guys know, I'm here at Shear Performance. If you don't follow them, make sure you follow them now. This is where Grandma's build is happening out of. I'm gonna go ahead and pull Mimi into the garage and let's see what we have lined up. And if you guys haven't seen this yet, Sandy bought a wrecked Mustang that he's gonna be rebuilding, obviously. This should be fun. This will be beautiful. There's also a beautiful Z28 Camaro that they took to the dyno yesterday that is here as well. I will show you guys. Here she is. Check this out. Wow. She's an LS1, heads into cam. I'm pretty sure they dynoed her at 400 to the wheel yesterday. Is it straight pipe?
No.
Yeah? No?
It's mild.
Yeah?
It was really loud when we first built it, but we calmed it way down.
Okay. 400 to the wheels?
444.
444.
Triple four. Stock bottom end LS1. Almost a 20-year-old motor.
It's almost the same setup I have in the LS. Mine's different cam. What heads do you have on this? 243?
No, they're as cast Texas Speed PRC heads. I don't remember exactly the size of them.
Okay. That's beautiful. Oh, well. Man, changing the timing and adding that electric fuel pump really did a lot. So here's everything the guys over at Wilwood sent us. We got a lot. We got a full brake kit, you guys. We got drilled and slotted rotors. We got hubs, we got calipers, we got pads, we got all the brake fluid we need. We got a brake master cylinder. We got lines, we got hardware. We got a proportioning valve. I say, let's go ahead and get started. Pop a wheelie. There we go. It's too easy to get distracted here.
Oh, way too easy.
Okay, now back to work before I try and pop wheelies and entirely fail myself. First, PTT time. All right, time to start assembling. Let's see where I want to put this.
So hang. Yeah, hang on the couch. Who cares? We're replacing the brake line. What does it matter?
I guess. All the internet haters, you're hanging a caliper from the brake line. All right, Sandy's got something to say to you internet haters.
Oops.
Never hold a caliper by the brake line, they said. So here we are, hub rotor assembly. Looking fresh. That looks so clean.
Should. It's brand new.
You don't say. So the car may not go very fast, but at least we know she'll stop.
You got that right. This car's gonna be a sorry disappointment.
Until the swap.
Till what swap?
The swap we don't know that we're doing.
I think you should get a bumper sticker that says sorry disappointment on it.
Ooh, I like that. Or
Yes.
slower than a Prius.
My other car's a Prius, and it's faster than this one.
Yeah.
See what that says?
It says wear safety goggles. Good then I got some. I'm gonna sit you guys here while I assemble this rotor now. Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah, you gotta drill and tap these, and I'm gonna let you do that. So if you screw it up, it's your fault.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, no
You
problem.
always got my back.
Yeah, and I'm gonna let you cut it too. So if you cut the ears too short or too long, you know, it's also your fault.
My build, my fault, right? You just gotta clear the nuts.
Just gotta clear the nuts, man. Clear the nuts and keep reaching out around the back. You'll get it. This does not want to bite.
So what you're trying to say is you're already f***ed up.
I need a better drill.
I think it would have been really sick if we could have gotten the calipers in chrome. I want chrome everything now. Chrome wrap, chrome grill.
I think you should literally just like start chrome plating with the most random thing.
Just chrome
You should
everything.
Chrome your headers.
I won't be able
that's
on the
fine.
drive strip because it'll be blinding and I'll be affecting
You
other
should,
drivers' vision.
chrome like your fenders and your hood.
Chrome
Just the most
steering wheel.
stupid thing. It's like yanking. Clear now.
There we go. Now let me see you do another.
That one's scary.
Watch your knuckles.
Oh, Jesus. I was supposed to only go in an inch.
That's what she said.
All you need to go is an inch. You can go deeper. It doesn't matter.
At that point, it's personal preference.
Yeah, literally, like the first hit, I was just like, bam.
Dude, your knuckle came so close to hitting that.
Well, look at the tape. It just like sucked it down.
Yeah, the guys from Centerline came by and gave us like a ton of these NOS energy drinks. So instead of Red Bull, I'm now consuming 50 grams of carbs per one of these.
Is that bad?
No, not at all.
Found a map in your frame.
What?
This is a map of.
Bedford, Indiana.
Are you serious?
There's literally a map in your frame.
That's amazing. Well, so the rats must have picked up the map
Is it a road
paper.
map or is it a treasure map? Like Goonies or something.
It's bits of a road map. Yeah, the rats probably
like One-Eyed
found it in the
Willie's.
car.
No, it's like Stranger Things, the map to find the, what did they call that? Maybe it was a clue. Blue's Clues.
In Hawkins, Indiana?
Yeah, it was Indiana.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. You're probably gonna lose about 30 pounds. if
Of
you just
weight
take the
reduction.
weight, all this that's in your frame out of here.
You're making a mess.
You're making a mess. Oh, there's like solid map.
Seriously?
Oh no,
No, that's duct tape.
Make sure that
There's no rats still in there?
unlike Stranger Things, we don't want this. We don't want this car to go to the upside down.
Yeah, right. Oh, so you watched the latest season. You're literally talking about when they're...
I have not seen it. I have only
I won't
seen
ruin it
part
for
of
you.
season 1.
Are you serious?
Swear
Bro,
to God.
you're sleeping.
I tried getting into it. I really just couldn't. It just wasn't for me.
You know, it's been really nice working with you these past couple weeks.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. But you do watch Letterkenny, so I'll give you that.
Yes,
do you like Trailer Park Boys?
Never seen it.
Are you kidding me?
Oh.
You like Letterkenny and you haven't seen Trailer Park Boys? Do you watch Trailer Park Boys?
I've watched it.
I feel like
He knows those guys.
Yeah, he's best friends with them. He's the one who bailed Randy out of jail.
What'd you do with my cheeseburger?
Go ahead, other side.
But you know, I do work out, so I might be stronger than you, so I might not have an issue.
What are you talking about?
Look at these guns. Look at this bicep here.
You know that like cartoon where he like flexes and it like dips down?
That's you.
yeah, that's
Mine
me.
shoots up.
Yeah, yeah.
I eat my spinach, boy. I feel like I should say, if you guys want to like send snacks or Red Bulls or anything to the shop, feel free.
Air conditioner or a big fan?
Air conditioner, a big fan. Any other requests, Justin? No. Are there any snacks you like? You're just
Chips.
a typical Joe Schmo, aren't you?
Kettle chips.
Kettle chips.
Kettle chips.
Done.
Like jalapeno.
Jalapeno kettle chips. That sounds interesting. That and Red Bull. Lots of sugar-free Red Bull.
You're driving you to the hospital when that thing bites and drives you right into it. Breaks your arm.
She could drive with the other
We'll
arm,
cross
right?
that bridge when we get there.
Oh, yeah, that's definitely, okay.
What did you have so much trouble with?
That. Nice and straight there, champ. All right, you made that look easy.
Say hello to my little friend. Safety first, children. Always use a guard. Earplugs, respirator, proper eyewear. You know, exactly what I'm not doing.
You said you were gonna start practicing.
I did say I would start doing ear protection at least. Hold my saws off.
Oh yeah, chattering your teeth?
Yeah.
It like rattles your skull.
That's exactly what it's doing. All right, we're close. All right, here we have it. Both of them cut off very nicely. I think we're good to start assembling now.
All right, so now who's gonna take Amelia to the hospital? She's gone.
Seen that?
How do I pop a wheelie?
I can't do it, so don't ask me.
Maybe I won't try it on this. Pop a wheelie? Pop a wheelie, Sandy?
I got a story for Sandy. He had this brand new motorcycle that he had one time at the other shop. And he goes, oh, let me show you how to ride that thing. He's like, you gotta warm this thing up first. And he peels out of the parking lot and just lays it down. Sparks go everywhere.
It's cigarette mouth and all.
One time you laid down your KX500.
Oh, you want me to warm it up?
Sick!
Crazy.
Oh!
I
Yes!
know how to crash.
Nice save. So you got lock the keys in the bike. You got an extra one?
No, but Sandy's got a Slim Jim. We can break it through the window.
Just smash the window.
You left the window down?
Yeah, windows down.
All right, we're fine. Don't worry about it.
What was the bet? What do you think?
I never said that. I said I think the car might leave with those Cooper Cobras on the ball. Maybe.
Maybe.
If you get the right lane and the track's set up good. Those are pretty grippy tires.
I guess we'll have to wait and find out. We also found a transmission. Thank you very much. And you guys will have to wait till the next
We
episode
gotta
to
thank
find.
Dave though.
David, Orange County Transmissions.
Yes.
Dave's not here, man.
Dave's not here, man.
You guys will see what transmission it is next episode. You'll see who that is then.
All right. With grease all over the rotor and everything.
So is this official?
No, it is not.
I think it's official now.
No, it's
If
not.
it wasn't before, we just made it
Off the
official.
books.
We're racing the lunch truck for our first drag race at Irwindale. Hey guys, this is Alan.
What's up?
Alan watches the channel. This is Alan's Dodge Challenger. This is cool, man. Super cool. This is your invite to come join us at Irwindale. Let's see what kind of number she puts down, huh? So he saw how dirty and beat up the S13 sun visors were. You just put a roll cage in yours.
Yeah, I'm getting a full cage, so I can't even put the visors in.
Hell yeah. Well, I appreciate you bringing them.
Of course, not a problem.
Are you gonna come to the drag strip? Yeah.
Very likely.
Okay, I mean, we'll race you. I
I'm
think
so
you
down.
might win, but it's worth a
We'll
shot.
see. It'll be fun.
Okay, cool. All right, so the rotors may or may not have been put on backwards, but purely for the simple sake that we were testing you guys to see if you were paying attention. And I think everyone failed.
Is it on video? Me saying there's an arrow on that rotor. I sure hope so because I'm the only one that mentioned it.
I'm symbol blind completely.
Oh, I'm blind as
Can't
hell.
see a symbol. Bring your car to Shear Performance where we can't see
Food vlog. We bought tacos. These are huge tacos.
My bad.
I'm not mad.
I figured like 3 each, you know, street tacos, whatever, and like, then she rang it up. I was like, how much?
I am not mad at it. Look at all this. How's that?
It's great.
What were you saying?
Said you look tired.
What are you trying to say? Did I look like
Yeah, you look like
We're about to drag race and prove whose is bigger, right? It's on. Who's got the bigger ding dong? Coming soon. That sounds so bad.
Low-gas lunch truck, which weighs twice what this thing weighs, and walk it.
I would like to see you try with those burnt as pistons and no
It
intercooler.
won't break. No, that's no. It ain't no.
Yeah, right now she don't run.
No, she'll run, but that's about it. She'll idle, drive through a parking lot.
I'm not worried about this.
Why do I feel like both you guys are just gonna blow up in the start box? Both. Bam!
And then it's a pushing race.
No, if both cars break, we are going full Ricky Bobby, and we're gonna foot race to
Yes!
get out and race.
All right, lines need to be tightened, but here we go. We're so close to doing a burnout.
I thought it was a 60 to 0.
60 to 0?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we already know I have no 0 to 60.
I mean, you gotta break the brakes in, right?
Figured I would just go really fast and slam on them really hard and consider them.
pretty much it,
Yeah.
I think that's called dashboarding.
I thought that was just called having a good time. All right, so all that's left is bleeding the lines. We're not gonna install the brake buster cylinder. You guys must know by now that we are swapping the engine and trans out of this car, and we're also doing rear brakes. So we're just gonna wait till we do that before installing this. Ow! So we're just gonna wait till we swap everything until we put this in. I think you guys already know what we're swapping in, but I mean, if you wanna comment below and take some guesses, be my guest. Actually, yeah, they may not know.
Shut up!
Everybody thought I was swapping Nellis and the Prius, but what people don't know is I'm swapping the Prius and the G-body. We had great gas mileage.
Still help to have somebody in there with their foot on the pedal.
She's getting up.
up there.
Should lower the car down so you can get in there.
Yeah, that's not as fun.
No.
There's no challenge
Just
to
hang on to
that.
the car. I know, right? If you can find the wire and just rip it out.
We are finished! Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Da-na-na-na.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
You're supposed to sing along with us for the Rocky song.
Is that what you were singing? Wow.
Or the victory, what is it? What song is that?
Final countdown.
Yeah. Give it a rip. Man, that looks so much better. Oh, that looks good.
I haven't seen it yet.
You haven't seen it.
I haven't seen it on the ground outside.
You haven't seen it, but it looks good.
See it catch all the dust on the car?
What does? Don't look. Walk
Okay,
this way.
okay,
Walk
okay.
this way. And see Justin pouring water all over himself doing the bikini thing. How good does that
That
look?
looks a lot better. off testing these new brakes. Or at least trying to get the coating off the rotors.
Brake checks?
Brake
With
check.
no seatbelts?
Oh, we've got seatbelts. We're out of gas. So I guess we're breaking her in, heading to a gas station. Shall we?
Let's do it.
Don't, hey!
What's that do?
Whoa. Brake check.
God, I knew you were gonna do that too.
I definitely feel the welded diff trying to turn. So we only got first gear. It shifted. It shifted.
Oh, we're good.
We're good. We're cruising now. Maybe we don't need that new transmission after all.
I mean, it shifted twice.
It shifted twice.
Maybe it'll behave. I mean, the way that input shaft was like dangling in there, I don't think
And
so.
apparently there's metal chunks in the transmission oil. I didn't see any, so.
Must have been third gear, I guess.
It must have been. We don't need that for an 1/8 mile.
You can kind of feel that welded diff.
Oh yeah, definitely. Around like turns. It doesn't like chirp, but I don't think there's enough angle to get it to have to.
Runs like a champ.
Like a champ. Should we take this to the car wash? I mean, the windows don't seal, but maybe it'll clean the interior for us. First fill up.
You don't have a gas tank or gas cap.
I don't have a gas tank, you're right. It's all off unicorn fumes.
Turns out it's a 1 gallon tank.
Yeah, small tank, very economically friendly. All right, brake checking.
Yeah, thanks for the heads up. Oh,
I think it's good.
oh. Yeah, it definitely stops.
It wants to like drift every corner too, I love it.
I'm just like preparing to slam my face on the dash.
Feel that? That's called freedom. It kind of wheel hops
Feels
a
like
bit.
it's chirping, yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna break an axle or something.
Nah. Makes a lot of noise, it doesn't really go anywhere.
Yeah, right? It's not gonna shift. Uh-oh.
Did we just lose trans? We lost our last gear.
We're in neutral right now.
We lost our last gear. Keep rolling.
Come on, come on.
Come on.
Oh, I just shredded that trans.
Oh yeah, let's get it home.
Come on, we're so close. All right, transmission is fine again.
I don't think that's the word I would use.
Hey, careful.
It was like that when I found it.
Oh, so the brakes work.
Oh yeah, of course they do. They're brand new Wilwoods.
The transmission like put us in neutral and we rolled back.
We knew the transmission was shot. We even talked about that.
Why did I drive into the gas station then? It worked. It shifted. On the way there, it actually shifted.
Into second gear.
Yeah, and then on the way back, it was just like, nope, I'm done. It was at low speeds, it's okay. At high speeds, it was just like, I'm out of here. Though, yeah, that pump's loud.
It sounded weird. It sounds different.
Oh, no. Oh, wait. I was testing you.
I hope that pump didn't get damaged from being low on fuel like that.
Sounds like it did.
It does sound like it did.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. That is a wrap on today's episode. If you don't follow Shear Performance, make sure you give them a follow. Show them some love.
Follow my YouTube page and all my Zero videos.
You guys have the lunch truck videos, right?
I don't think they're on my YouTube page. Or maybe they are. I don't know. If they
Says
are, I
the
didn't do
PR
it.
guy.
They are, I didn't do it.
I'm excited for the 8th mile. You're gonna bring out lunch truck? You're gonna put your money where your mouth is? And
Might bring the lunch truck out if we can get it thrashed back together in time.
all right, well, comment below, you guys. Let me know what time you think that Mimi is going to put down. But until the next one, thank you for watching. Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye! I thought that sound was you cracking your knuckles.
Gives you arthritis.
Oh, all of a sudden you're into safety.